Well, with me today from the El Toro Water District is one of their directors, and Mark is here today. And it's great to have you on here.
Good to be here.
We're going to get to talking about emergency preparedness and all in just a moment. But in general, we were talking beforehand, the Metropolitan Water District, and then you guys are with many different agencies, work with them, and just the way we get water here in this area in South Orange County versus North Orange County, it's very different.
Yeah, unfortunately with PCAS, and there's a lot of things coming up for the groups that use wells, we're 100% reliant on that water.
Yeah.
So we don't have to worry about that.
Right, and so the people that rely on the wells, are you saying they're having a little less water in there?
Well, some of them aren't using them for the time being until they get this whole, and we're 100% met water. So one of the big issues that we're going to keep reiterating to our customers is the things you hear about that don't affect anybody at El Toro Water District.
All right, that's interesting. We'll talk about that another time.
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
So we're talking about emergency preparedness and really how it deals with the water district and just in general, because I think it's obviously when things happen, water very, very important for many, many reasons.
Exactly.
Especially wildfires and things like that. But we're going to go through these slides here. And the first one, you kind of look at the earthquake that was up in Ridgecrest and how it triggers things and what happens.
Yeah, so our goal is to get uninterrupted service.
Right.
And so we have extra generators, and we have diesel units to bring out fuel to the generators. So our goal is for uninterrupted service, and to think about every possible thing that could happen to make sure that we deliver water.
Right.
There are, as others have talked, make sure you're prepared. You must do what you need to do, but our goal, our job will be to do our very best at making sure that water is delivered, even in a disaster and an earthquake.
All right, in the next slide, we're going to see some of the objectives that you folks at the Water District look at during emergency preparedness, and protect the water, of course, and the whole system, the whole infrastructure.
Exactly. So we're prepared if we need to fix things. We're prepared if we need to bring in portable storage, and go to OC Alert, go to Twitter. We'll kind of talk at the end. What's the best way to keep yourself updated on what to do and where we'll be with storage or water or anything that you need? We're going to be there for you. So. And
of course on this, it shows what you do. Your operations center, emergency equipment is out there, emergency fuel trailer, and this just keeps the pumps going and the whole operation, right?
In fact, our water trailer will be at the tomorrow at the opening of the new dog park.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We go to a lot of events and make sure there's water there for pets and for
very
humans.
good. All right. Yeah. Now, at the bottom here, I want to ask, what is WeRock and CalWarn?
So WeRock is a county organization that works with a lot of water and other disasters that we work together as a mutual system. So if Molten Miguel, if they don't have any problems and we do, they help us with their equipment, and vice versa. Or if we both have problems, we'll keep bringing in equipment from other. So we're all set up to help each other out. And WeRock is set up. It's actually in our command center on El Toro property for the whole county.
All right. So that's the main thing. Just like in an emergency with fire, all those mutual aid systems work together.
WeRock even works with fire type thing.
Okay.
And then CalWarn is kind of a whole statewide WeRock. WeRock is for the county. CalWarn is for the whole state.
Okay. All right. So everything, the whole point is working together.
Yeah. And we have done planning. The state has done planning. The county has done planning. Our staffs have done drills together. So we know how to communicate with each other, how to work with each other. So this if something does happen, it won't be the first time that we've practiced this.
Okay. Now, on the next slide, again, we talk about the response plan and America's Water Infrastructure Act. Talk to us about that.
That's kind of set up that in times of emergency, that there is a system for us to work together and get things handled as quickly as possible.
Okay.
Because we are in Southern California, earthquakes fault lines do go past both the state water and the Colorado water. And they talk about slip faults, and things moving. So there could be a scenario where we don't get water from, hopefully not both, but we don't get water from the state or the Colorado for 6 months.
Okay.
So that's why everybody needs to do their best at being prepared, and that's what we've done also.
All right, very good. Of course, employee training.
Exactly.
You do that as well.
Employee training, and our CAG meeting will be August 8th at 11:30, and we'll be talking about this exact topic at our CAG meeting. And you can get a free lunch too.
Okay,
So,
now what, CAG meeting, what is that?
CAG that's our customer advisory group.
Okay.
So not only are we telling them what's going on, but they're telling us what they need from us. And they're telling us, they're kind of an advisory board to us. And we explain all the hot topics, and then there's a question and answer period. Goes from 11:30 to 12 is lunch, and from 12 to 1 is all the great ideas and updates, presentations.
Also on this, a couple more acronyms, SEMS and NIMS.
Yeah, these are, again, incident command type things.
Okay.
Where we're prepared and we have a system set up to work together with other organizations, work together with fire, work together with county sheriffs. So we're all working together, and we're doing the right thing for our customers and for the safety of everyone.
All right, very good. And moving on, more preparedness is this is just kind of things everyone can do.
Yeah, these are things that so many of your other people have talked about. In fact, Cash just talked about it, and he did a great job with that.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'm going to add on to that. There's nothing really that they haven't said, but be ready for 3 days in case there is some type of interruption.
Okay.
And then
how do people know, by the way, when you talk about the water that's needed per household, that obviously if you turn on the faucet, water's not coming out, okay. But are you also saying that you may be getting water, but it may not be clean because there could be a break in the line somewhere? Or
usually it's sediment and things, the system getting mixed around.
Okay.
And things lifting up.
Okay.
But if you might pour water in your bathtub, it never hurts to have as much water as possible.
Right.
If you have to go a long period. And if the water looks good to you, then, having it on hand for baths and whatnot, always use bottled water.
Right.
Or things from our truck.
Okay.
That we bring out. But as for showers and baths and other things, having as much water, at your location, that looks appropriate to you,
right,
is good to have.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Very good. And of course, don't forget your pets.
Absolutely.
Yeah, for sure. Now you're going to talk about communications, of course, Alert OC.
Yeah.
And all the other different outlets that are out
we have
there.
Facebook, Twitter, Alert OC. I just reallocated or re-got on that myself. You can get us at El Toro Water.
Right.
Always, you can get our phone number, 949-837-0660. We have a staff that can answer any of your questions.
Okay.
If you leave a message, and if we get overloaded for a little bit, we will get back to you. You're our valuable customer, so if you have any questions whatsoever, please give us a call and we'll get back to you or answer them right away.
All right. And then again, the Alert OC, anybody can go on that. We encourage that. That's for all kinds of different emergencies.
Exactly. And again, if you want to learn more, and come to our CAG group, August 8th, 11:30 to 1 o'clock.
And that's
Love to have
up
you.
at the district?
That's at the district in the back. we have lunch.
All right. Very good. Always good to see you.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you very much.
All right.
And we'll see you next time.
Thanks a lot, Ken.
All right.
Looking forward
Take care,
to it.
Mark. Bye-bye.